Welcome to Castillo Restoration LLC, based in Oak Lawn, Illinois, with 8 years of dedicated experience in the restoration industry. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction has made us a trusted name for homeowners in need of top-quality restoration services. We proudly offer the following categories of services: roofing services, siding services, gutters services. We understand the importance of a thorough assessment before any project begins. That's why we offer a pre-free inspection to accurately evaluate your home's needs and provide a clear plan of action. Additionally, as claims specialists, we can assist you in navigating the insurance claims process, ensuring you receive the coverage you deserve for restoration services. Don't hesitate to call us directly at 773-971-8919 or 630-400-9885. Trust us to restore and enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Contact us now.